Benny, push the button. Push the button. Whoa. They're on the radio. They're on the radio. Push it again. Hey guys, I did receive that Pre-33 gold that I made a video about. That bullion exchanges had that flash sale online, and wanted to open it up here in front of you. I brought a knife. Let me put this camera down real quick, and I'll score a line here. The coin did come in at a pretty good time. Did not take too long for them to ship it, and it was just according to their listing on eBay how long it would come. So here it is. The paperwork's in here. I'll pull it out in a moment. See if we can get to the coin here. Let me put the phone down again, pardon me. So again, this was a Pre-33 St. Gaudens MS64. They were running a sale, and let's see what I got. I got one of the most common years, the 1924 MS64, which you know, how can you beat that? The price that they had. You know, I wanted to put my money where my mouth was and show you guys. It was really a good price here. The coin itself, I mean, many call this semi-numismatic, you know, because it is a very common gold coin. And you know, if you had a 65, 6, 7, you're talking a lot more money. But here, this is just at the cusp, at the high end before the price starts to jump, and that's kind of where my personal opinion is the numismatic sweet spot. That's why I like these 64s. One of the most beautiful designs out there. Hey Ben, check this coin out. Come here, take a look at the coin. Yeah, you want to take a look here. What do you think about that one? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah? So let's see if I can pull out this paperwork here. And there we go. It was $13.36. Now I did receive $13 in eBay bucks, so we're talking $13.23 for an MS64 St. Gaudens. Now try to find that coin at a coin shop. You're probably not. You're probably going to find it for a lot more. I did go to a coin show recently, and they were asking above $1,400 for them. You know, I'm not sure if people overpaid for them, but there you go. Ben took off with my coin. This is the company I purchased it off of on eBay, and I'm happy. You know, I'll let you guys know what ends up happening to it. But thanks for watching as always. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Hey Ben, get back here.